guidance broken. Temperature 16, 2.8, altimeter 29908. ILS and visual approach, runway 30 and 28 right. Warning, runway 30 has been shortened. 8,490 feet takeoff distance available. 7,700 feet landing distance available. Low control to Los Angeles, Phoenix. Contact clearance delivery for information.
High Valley 7702, to maintain 4,000.
4,000, 7702.
NorCal approach, Cessna 66970 with you at 3,500 feet.
Cessna 66970, NorCal approach, Hayward altimeter 29908. Galleon 009er, contact approach 120.9er.
20.9er, 609, good night.
Good night. Cessna 66970, NorCal approach, Hayward altimeter 29908.
NorCal 400 Echo Sierra is 9,000, descending 7,000.
Challenger 400 Echo Sierra, NorCal approach, to maintain 6,000.
6,000, 400 Echo Sierra.
Cessna 970, NorCal approach, how do you hear?
950.
November 970, NorCal approach, how do you hear?
Sorry, NorCal about 66970, go ahead.
November 970, NorCal approach, Hayward altimeter 29908.
Okay, copy, 970.
NorCal approach, traffic watch 860, Charlie Papa, currently level 1,700, looking for 2,000 after we get under these clouds, and southbound 880.
November 860, Charlie Papa, NorCal approach, ident, token altimeter 29909er.
29er, traffic watch 860, Charlie Papa.
November 8, Charlie Foxtrot, traffic 1 o'clock, 1 mile, southwestbound, altitude indicates 2,700.
Looking for a traffic inside 82 Charlie Foxtrot.
November 0, Charlie Papa, radar contact 6 miles southeast of Hayward. Contact approach 121.3.
And 82 Charlie Foxtrot is reversing our course towards 580 again.
November 8, Charlie Foxtrot, roger. November 0, Charlie Papa, radar contact 6 miles southeast of Hayward.
860, Charlie Papa.
November 0, Charlie Papa, contact approach 121.3.
121.3, 860, Charlie Papa.
Challenger 0, Echo Sierra, clear direct JUPAP, intercept the final approach course.
Direct JUPAP, intercept final approach, 400 Echo Sierra.
Back Valley 7702, 4 miles from Grove, cross Grove, ask for above 3,400, clear ILS and wake 28 right approach.
Grove at above 3,400, clear ILS 28 right into Oakland, 7702.
NorCal, Kodiak 505 Kilo Quebec, request.
Kodiak 505 Kilo Quebec, NorCal approach, open altimeter 299er, advising you have ATIS Foxtrot, say request.
Okay, we have ATIS Foxtrot, and we'd like to go present position, Oakland through Bravo, and then direct Palo Alto, get over a layer. I was corrected for the 5 Kilo Quebec to be at 3,500.
November 5 Kilo Quebec, maintain VFR resume navigation, and I'll see how that Bravo clearance looks when you get closer to it.
Okay, ONAV and waiting on the Bravo clearance, 5 Kilo Quebec.
Back Valley 7702, safe flight conditions, do you have Oakland inside 12 o'clock, 13 miles?
Negative, we're on top of a layer here, 3,500.
Yep. Challenger 0, Echo Sierra, reduce speed to 210 for internal spacing.
210 knots, 400 Echo Sierra.
Back Valley 7702, maintain your maximum forward speed for as long as practical for sequence.
We'll keep speed up, 7702.
Aircraft heading Hayward, ATIS X-ray current, wind 250 at 12. Visibility 10, scattered clouds 1,700, altimeter 2999, runway 28 left from you. Kodiak 5 Kilo Quebec, turn to 20 degrees right, extra traffic, currently 12 o'clock, 3 miles northbound, Skylane 3600.
Okay, understand 20 degrees right for 5 Kilo Quebec.
5 Kilo Quebec, affirmative. November 5 Kilo Quebec, traffic 11 o'clock now, 2 miles northbound, Skylane 3600 has you in sight.
And traffic's in sight for 5 Kilo Quebec.
November 5 Kilo Quebec, roger, resume navigation.
5 Kilo Quebec.
Challenger 0 Echo Sierra, descend and maintain 4,000.
400 Echo Sierra.
High Valley 7702, contact Oakland Tower, 118.3.
Order tower, 7702. Oakland Tower, good afternoon, 7702 inbound ILS 28 right.
High Valley 7702, Oakland Tower, follow company traffic just north of the Coliseum, runway 28 right, clear to land, expect a left turn on arrival.
And we'll follow company traffic, expect left turn, 7702.
Impact Valley 7700, runway 28 right, clear to land, you're inside company traffic on a 10 mile final and expect a left turn on arrival.
Roger, number 1 was clear to land 28 right with a left turn, Pack Valley 7700.
Oakland Tower, Bonanza 55, Charlie, ready to go on the 28 right.
The last aircraft calling the Oakland Tower, say again.
Bonanza 55, Charlie's ready to go on the right.
Bonanza 5155 Charlie Oakland Tower, traffic on the uplands are right, close traffic, make a right cross and departure on course, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff, and no delay, traffic a caravan approaching right base.
Roger.
High Valley 7700, traffic at Bonanza departing 28 right.
Roger that, 7700.
Thousand.
Uniform Lima, exactly. Follow a caravan on 2 mile final, runway 28 right, clear for the option, report traffic in sight.
9 Uniform Lima is number 2, clear for the option on 28 right, we'll report traffic in sight.
That's a 55 Charlie, radar contact, the altitude.
All right, Charlie's out of 1,000 feet.
Back Valley 7700, turn left to back taxi, runway 28 left to Bravo, Romeo to parking.
500.
Roger Golf will back taxi 28 left and Bravo Romeo parking, Pack Valley 7700.
Oakland Tower, Challenger 400 Echo Sierra, inbound 28 left.
Challenger 400 Echo Sierra, Oakland Tower, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 28 left, 400 Echo Sierra.
9 Uniform Lima has that traffic in sight.
9 Uniform Lima, roger. That's a 55 Charlie, contact NorCal approach on 120.9 OCF.
120.9, good day.
Valley 7702, turn left and hold short, runway 28 left, remain in the frequency. Valley 7702, disregard that, expedite, back taxi, runway 28 left, to Bravo Romeo to parking, traffic at Challenger Jet on the 6 mile final.
Okay, back taxi 28 left, expedite 7702.
Tower Lear 35 Bravo Golf, 2900 descending right traffic 28 right.
Lear 35 Bravo Golf Oakland Tower, wind 230 at 12, runway 28 right, clear to land, traffic at Challenger Jet 5 mile final for the parallel.
28 right, cleared to land, looking for traffic, 5 Bravo Golf.
And Open Tower 9 uniform, a big column of birds, half mile over the golf course, put on fire for 2 right.
Uniform land, thanks for that report. Challenger 0 Echo Sierra, use caution for a flock of birds reported on a 2 mile final.
400 Echo Sierra.
That was a half mile fire.
We got it.
Bravo Golf traffic, correction, use caution for a flock of birds that were reported inside a 2 mile final.
5 Bravo Golf.
Traffic.
Cessna 9 Uniform Lima, fly heading 3. I'll advise you right downwind turn.
Speeder ups, 7702 times.
Lima will fly heading 315 for traffic.
Challenger 0 Echo Sierra, traffic approaching right base 8 Learjet for the parallel.
Yeah, 7702's down at 0101, be on the ramp 0104.
That 0104, thank you.
Lear 5 Bravo Golf, reduce your final approach speed. That traffic at your 11 at 12 o'clock is the Challenger Jet for the parallel.
Reducing speed, traffic in sight, 5 Bravo Golf.
Lear 5 Bravo Golf, maintain visual separation from that Challenger.
Maintain visual separation, 5 Bravo Golf.
Cessna 9 Uniform Lima, right downwind turn is at your discretion. You're following a Learjet turning a 3.5 mile final. Caution, wake turbulence, runway 28 right, clear for the option.
9 Uniform Lima will turn downwind at discretion. Following a Learjet number 2, we'll use caution for wake turbulence.
Challenger 0 Echo Sierra, turn right at reverse Juliet, hold short, runway 28 right, landing traffic, remain in this frequency.
Right at Juliet, hold short of 28 right with you, 400 Echo Sierra.
Oakland Tower, confirm 9 Uniform Lima is number 2 for 28 right.
9 Uniform Lima, affirmative, number 2, caution, wake turbulence for the landing Learjet.
9